Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire, where we break down complex car topics so you can keep your vehicle running smoothly. Today, we're diving into the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor, also known as the MAP sensor. We'll talk about what it does, how it works, and how to troubleshoot and fix common problems. Let's get started. The Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor, or MAP sensor, works with intake air pressure to define proper air and fuel quantities required for the ignition cylinders. It is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. A faulty manifold absolute pressure sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the manifold absolute pressure sensor related error codes. First, carefully remove the MAP sensor from the engine. Inspect the MAP sensor for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the MAP sensor. When you install a new MAP sensor, check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. Always use a sensor that's compatible with your car. If the problem persists, consult a professional mechanic. And that's it. The MAP sensor is a small but vital component, and understanding how it works can save you time and money when diagnosing engine performance issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.